Did you like it?
Yes, I like it.
What was it about?
I went kids, не знаю, постановка, kids постановка. Its name Münchhausen.
The kids play, yeah. Okay, cool.
Snezhana, hello. If you can, please turn off your camera. Oh, hello. Nice to meet you. Guys, I'm glad to see you. We can starting and I can start. My name is Darya. I'm host this event, and today we have interesting format about me. My name is Darya. I'm 20 years old. I say hello from cold St. Petersburg. I'm beginner quality assurance for mobile application, and I dream about working in IT sphere. What about Darya? Darya is linguist, pronunciation consultant, author of the course I Speak, author of scientific publications, speaker of conversation club in Красная Поляне. And Darya, I give you a word. Please tell us about yourself.
Thank you, Dara. That is so great to see everybody. You look so cool, actually, and that is so nice to see that everyone is from different place. That is really great. So my name is Darya, and I'm like an English teacher, and everything that Darya has already told. Today, I would like to know a little bit more about you. So today we are going to talk about you. I will introduce some vocabulary. We will play one little game, and after that, we can just have free speaking. You can just discuss whatever you want if you have any questions. If you want me to speak a bit slower, just tell me, okay?
Okay.
Guys.
Sorry, I want to us all to get to know each other, and please, Alina, tell us about yourself a little bit.
My name is Alina. Now I am a junior QA engineer. My previous job in Russia, I worked as a business analyst. Today I live in Estonia, and I dream a new position, new profession, and I have a little family, my son and my husband. I live in Tallinn, and I study English and Estonian.
Great. Thank you for your answer. It's very great and nice to meet you. Evgenia, please, you can start.
One more time. Yes, sorry. Sorry for my previous speaking. Okay, I'm Evgenia. Now I live in Belarus, but it's for about 1 month. I will came at Sofia, Bulgaria, maybe in March. I'm an IT recruiter, junior, and I try to find my first job in IT. Before I work at как быть менеджер? Я не помню.
Which one?
Менеджер, как быть? Я, представляете, забыла слово.
Manager?
You
can use
Manager.
Yeah,
okay.
You can use manager is fine.
I be a manager in Starbucks, another coffee shop like Coffee in St. Petersburg, and now I try to find me. I try to learn English one more time and in Bulgarian, but it's very hard. I speak in Belarusian, in Russian, and in Ukrainian. Maybe that's all. And I have a husband, and I don't have children. That's all. In free time, I prefer to make some sport, maybe some yoga, hot yoga. Do you know what is it? Hot yoga.
No, like I hear, but
when you have this floor that has some warm, as far as I remember.
Warm, yes, it's warm and humid. It's about 32 degrees, maybe, or maybe 42. Sorry, 42. Yes. Try if you can. Try it. It's perfect.
Okay, thank you for your answer. It's very great, very good. Nice to meet you. And Snezhana, tell us about yourself, please.
Yes,
Алло, плохо слышно.
Так.
Более-менее. Please try.
Что называется, my English not very well.
It's no problem.
Sorry, girls. It's my problem with audio, or I don't hear nothing.
Maybe I have a small problem with your noise. You can write in the chat in the right on your как это сказать, экран. Можно в чат написать, если звук плохой.
Окей.
В правом верхнем углу. Okay. Darya, please, can you tell about for game format and what? Please repeat what we will do later.
Like for now. So, just tell what we are going to do.
I mean about vocabulary and game.
So today I would like to talk about ways how we can talk to IT specialists. So we're going to discuss this. After that, I will give a short list of vocabulary. So maybe some of the words will be very useful for you. Some of them might be very interesting. After that, we're going to play a little game, just an online game to practice the word, just 10 questions, not more. And after that, if we have some questions, we can discuss. So you can ask me some questions. If you don't have, I will ask you some questions. So that's the plan, I guess.
Okay, great. And I want to say, if you don't understand, please ask and repeat your question, okay? For example, me, I can maybe something don't understand, and I also asking you, Darya. And you don't worry if you don't understand and understand incorrectly. Not problem. It's okay. Don't worry. Okay.
Yeah, it's okay. Okay. No problem. Okay. What about timing? About 1 hour or maybe more timing? What about timing?
1 hour.
Okay.
This meeting is 1 hour.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. Snezhana, how are you? How are you doing? Okay. I think we can start, Darya.
Okay, so let's start. So let's talk about the ways how we can talk to IT specialists, so the way they can understand you. Tell me, please, what is important here for you? How we can talk to IT specialists so they can understand us and we can understand them, and like we can understand each other, because like as far as I got, you guys IT specialists, yeah, I'm just an English teacher. So I'm not. So that's the question. So what should we know to understand this very sphere? What do you think? So Alina, have you got any ideas?
Be know QA theories and how you use different tools.
How is different tools? Okay, so I see. So Evgenia, what do you think?
I think if you want to speak with IT specialist in one language, you need to understand the terminology, and you may to understand what is it. Not just I know what the word GCC or JavaScript. It's the frame. No, you know to understand what is it. You can learn all the terminology, yes, but if you don't understand, you can speak in one language, I think.
Okay, as far as I got, you need to know some terms, yeah, some terminology. Okay, what?
And like recruiter, unless speak with IT specialist, you need to write him, not speak by your voice, just write.
Just send a message.
Messenger or by email, not speak. No, not.
So let's talk about terms. So Evgenia, you said that there are some terminology. So what terms do you know? Some terms that can help you to talk to IT specialists.
Sorry, can you repeat, please? Because I really don't understand now.
What terms do you know that can help you to understand IT specialists? So you said that you...
In this moment, I think I don't know nothing. Sorry.
Okay. Okay, so Alina, what about you? Any terms?
You should understand what is Postman, Spear, SQL, console.
I know all those.
Okay, so that is about terms. That's interesting. What about slang? Some slang words. Do we need to know it? Slang words.
Сейчас надо вспомнить.
Okay, so if we think out of IT, just about life, what slang words do you know? Some colloquial phrases. Dasha, maybe you know some?
It's maybe about more meme in LinkedIn, and in meme usually slang IT. For example, it's I need to not. It's so so difficult now. Forget. Yes. Oh, remind. Sorry.
So any other ideas? For example, if we are not in IT, just in life, we can say like "What's up?" What's up? That is also slang. What's up? Not like "How are you doing?" How are you? But "What's up?" Like this. And so if we are in IT, what about the word bug? I will try to check this. Bug. Do you know this?
Yes, of course.
It's what about bug? You mean?
Bugs, that is also actually kind of a slang word. in IT. Because if we take the primary meaning, what is a bug? Aline, do you know what is that? A bug.
A bug is error of system, and it's I don't know how to say it in English. It's different. It's different result факт как это одного от другого. Я не знаю, как сказать.
Или from requirements.
Sorry, Alina, can you say one more time?
It's different between results and requirements.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Yeah. So
yes, I agree.
Wow.
I'm saying the word bug. That is just for IT, because in real life that is not an error. Yeah. And do you know the best way to fix a bug? It is kind of a joke here. So the best way to fix a bug is not to fix it at all, but to call it a feature. So you just need to call it, right?
Yes.
So that's why it's not a bug. So guys, do you do it like this? Do you call it?
In generally, I am not working, but I hear about this. It's not bug; it's a feature. Yes, if I correctly understand you. Yes, I hear about it, but I don't know how it's real work in real work project. Maybe Alina, you know.
No, I don't have a real project. But I have only internship intern.
Mm-hmm. Okay, but like this one, if you work in this sphere, so this is kind of a joke. And everybody knows the word fix. You guys know this? Fix.
Yes.
Mm-hmm. What is this? I just typed in the chat. Can you guess what is that? Hot fix.
Hot fix.
Hot fix. I don't know. Hot.
It's it may be a fast make this problem or fast make this problem. Yes, if I understand. I think Snezhana maybe can writing or say or try say anything. I think because Snezhana have experience. If I understand.
What that? So I did it send it? Yeah, I sent it like this. Yes, that is like when you try to fix something very fast, very quick. So you can say like hot fix. And have you heard about a killer feature? A killer feature.
Killer feature.
Killer feature. Maybe
Alina, have you got any ideas?
I have a idea.
I don't know.
It's when server don't work and program not not response maybe. Mm-hmm.
Okay, Alina, have you got any ideas? What is a killer feature? Or Evgenia?
I don't know. I tried to
you don't
understand, but I don't know.
So that is something that is kind of a super class characteristic. So just very good, very cool. So this is just a super class characteristic of a software. Very cool feature, killer feature, just the main one. Okay, so
wow.
Here are just some words in IT. So now I will give you some phrases and words. Let's try to make sentences and maybe just discuss what you think of this. Look, the first one is space out. Space out. So space out, that is a phrasal verb that means that you just stare at the desk so that it looks like you're working. So guys, tell me please, have you ever done these things? Have you ever spaced out? When you just look at the screen and it seems like you are really working. This is kind of also joke in this like IT sphere.
I have not the idea.
Evgenia, what about you?
Maybe some desk in Slack. You mean this? Or
yes, like the screen. The screen.
No, I don't know. I don't have some idea.
Okay, can you make a sentence with this one? Space out.
Space out. It's it's application for communicate between or between team. It's or not. What is it?
Sometimes, yes, space out. That is sometimes that you can hear what people say. So today we're going to talk about slang, some slang words that you can really see in like in life, in some teams, what people say. So that's why I'm asking you. So, for example, I'm not drinking tea. I'm not spacing out. I'm really working. So like this. So you don't show that you waste your time. You really work.
I understand. It may be some feature for control your work time.
Yes, kind of that.
It's like a system. It's like a system where you put your work email or something and put start. And when you work, and your general or some lead or some team lead can see how many time you really work, or not just see the movie or listen to music or make some another things, not work. It's control. It's a feature for control time, yes or not?
Kind of that, but it's kind of also a joke. So when you stare at the desk and you don't work, but you are making this, but you're making people think that you're working. Look, one more I will show you. What's that? That is also a slang. What's that? www.
Oh, it's a word. It's about internet. Yes, world сеть, я не знаю, когда.
Lina, have you got any ideas about internet? Yeah.
Way in internet.
Yeah, that is World Wide Web. But in IT, you have kind of a look. I'll show you. This is World Wide Wait. It's like wait shows that the connection is really slow. That is over that is very slow, like twice slower. That's why they're saying wild world wait. It's also kind of a joke. So sometimes when you see that, you can really use this. Okay, one more thing. Look, I will show you this one. Here you need to tell me who is that. This is kind of a person. Gray goose. Gray goose. Give me your ideas. What it is. Gray goose. You don't need to know the answer. Just give me your ideas. So, Evgenia, what's your idea? What's that?
Like in Russian, maybe horse. Horse with brown.
Like black
brown horse, but not brown horse. Темная лошадка. Блин, я не помню, как это было.
That is in IT.
Dark.
It's like people who make some maybe it's some people in team who make some strange things before the neck of another people. Maybe.
Okay.
I don't know.
Interesting, Alina. Have you got any ideas?
I like ideas you gave.
Okay, so Dasha, what about you?
Please repeat the question, what you say.
What is that? What do you think? What do you think the meaning of grey goose? What kind of person is that? That is only in IT. In real life, it's not like that. In real life, that is a grey goose.
What's like in IT for me?
Yeah. What do you think?
It's community. If I correctly understand, this community really because in IT communities, a lot of many interesting people, and I think it's really great opportunity, and you can go to other countries because you're free and you have opportunity traveling and working, but mostly work in IT it's on the remote, and it's like for me.
Mm-hmm.
I have one more idea. What about grey goose?
Okay.
Maybe some typical or some typical something. Maybe some typical task or typical work. Something like this.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe I don't know.
It's okay. You don't know. It's okay. So that's the point. So Alina, more ideas?
Maybe it's person who didn't turn video and audio on meeting.
Interesting, really interesting, guys. Look at that. So this is kind of a person, I just send you on a chat. This is kind of a person that is a real specialist. It comes to startup to make this process more professional. So kind of a person that is really specialist. So this is the grey goose, kind of specialist.
Wow.
Do you have guys like this in your team? Do you guys have some kind of teams?
It's grey.
It's
grey goose.
Each team have grey goose.
Yeah, like each team. Yes, exactly. Evgeny, what about your work?
Try to understand why grey goose is old person. Because it's grey, like a grey hair or something like this.
Yeah, that is slang. No, that is something not really logical. It's just illogical.
But I'm interested. I try all the time. I'm a little control freak, and I like we're all logical.
So that is about slang. Sometimes slang is not about being logical. Just need to remember.
It's like a red herring, maybe. It's called red herring. Forgot. Just sorry.
It's okay, yeah.
Okay.
What? Have you got any people like that? Have you got a grey goose? I mean, at work. Some person that was hired.
Not maybe not, because in Starbucks all guys will be young, not grey goose, just young people. Now I just try to find my team, and maybe I will be some people who grey goose. Maybe in future, not now. Now it's not, totally not.
Okay, so one person think that every team has, and you have another opinion. Okay, that is cool. Look, one more. Oh, Snezhana is typing something. Is it a startup? Not really, but it just common used when we talk about startups, but not about startups. So look, this one, plug and play. This is also kind of person. This is a person. The person who is hired. What are your ideas? What kind of person is that? Plug and play. You can also use it not only in IT. Do you know what is plug? When you have a socket, give me a second.
Plug, it's like on, like connect.
This one, yes, you put plug. What kind of person is that?
Maybe it's a person who quickly understand what do you need to do in a company, and you quickly doing anything on project.
Okay, very good. I like your idea. So, Evgenia, what about you?
I like idea of Alina. I like, but actually, my friends have a name in Instagram. Plug and play. It's the name of my friend, and
Okay.
she's a little crazy.
Like,
Little crazy.
What do you do? What he do? What does he do?
yeah, what does he do? It's a good question. I also wonder.
And all the time I think what plug and play, just it's music because that girl really likes Muse. He has tattoo with Muse, and I think what if his name in Instagram it's plug and play, and just a song of Muse. Maybe.
Like, I just want to say that Alina was quite right. So this is the person that doesn't require any training. So this person, it's a new hire, so he just comes to the company and start working and doesn't need any training. And you can say like, the new guy is totally plug and play, like this. So tell me, have you got any experience working with people like this? That you can say, oh, that guy is really plug and play. Dasha, what about Okay, Alina.
On my previous job, I had a big project, как сказать, в краткие сроки.
In short.
Да, I had a big project, and I need and must did it in short time, and I think I did plug and play person.
Oh, like
I was.
You can say I was a plug and play person. That's nice. Okay, Evgenia, what about you?
In my previous job, it was me. I always came in your coffee shop, and it was me, plug and play person, all the time.
All the time. That's awesome. That's really awesome. Dasha, are you?
Yes, but it doesn't work now. I'm now just junior, and where is my plug and play person? Why it's not me anymore? Why? It's okay. I just joke.
Sorry, Snezhana, have a question and asking in chat. It's a gaming sphere.
Is it from gaming? I'm not sure about Origin, being honest. I just know that IT specialists, some of my friends, they really use it in international teams. They just do it like this. But I guess, originally, I guess that can be originate from a really game industry. Just plug and play. Yeah, like, why not? It's a very good question. So, and Dasha, what about you? Are you this kind of person?
I think it's maybe experienced specialist who not need maybe learning and who can starting working now without meeting with project, maybe. So just question was, have you ever met kind of person like this? What do you mean?
I mean, like at work.
I don't understand that word.
So, one more time. So, if we talked, are you this kind of person?
Okay, kind of person. Okay.
Okay. What about the working experience? Have you ever met a person like this who just comes to work and starts doing everything very fast and quickly without any training?
Oh, so fast. It's so difficult for me if I understand you. Maybe it's I'm not sorry. I'm not. I don't have idea what can I say, because I.
It's okay. So it's okay. So sometimes we don't even have people like this. Look, one more thing is this one. That is just for typing. Sometimes you can see the word feature. It's just written like this. So that is feature characteristics. So you know the word feature. So that is kind of a shortened form of this. And one more kind of joke. I just want you to know here. Look. Let me tell you. Some people say about good job like this. So this is like get out of debt job. Get out of debt. So have you got any ideas why is it like this? Why it can be like that? Why good job is kind of abbreviation? Evgeny, have you got any ideas? Why is that? Get out of debt.
No, I don't have some idea. I try to understand. I try to explain it, but I don't know. Maybe. No, I don't have some idea.
Alina?
Maybe you you should to get excellent results of project of your job. I don't.
It is kind of that is a joke because you know that is a good job and look. Do you know the meaning of the word debt?
No, I don't understand.
Dasha, what about you?
Maybe it's a successful project when you make great your work, make your work, because you have you don't have debt, and you make как сказать, in project have triangle. It's как там. I don't know how to say in English. Maybe it's 1 minute, please.
Just have a look.
You have time to do it on time and time maybe. And you doing your work in time, and you finished your work in time. How it's when it's need finished. If you understand what I say.
Yes, I understand exactly what you said. So that I just texted you in Russian, the translation, so you can understand. And the meaning is that it's like good jobs, like well jobs. So you don't have any debts. So you just don't. So everything is okay with money. So that is kind of a joke like this. Good job. Okay, and the last one that I want to share with you, that is Hawaiian short day. Hawaiian short day. So this is the last one that we're going to talk about. So have you got any ideas? What's the meaning of that? Hawaiian short day.
It's a Friday.
Okay, it's a Friday. Yep. Okay, what else? Hawaiian short day. It's my favorite, actually. Only because of this, I want to work in IT. Only because of this phrase.
Why Hawaiian?
Yeah, why Hawaiian?
Why? Because it's the way, some way of work, maybe. Maybe it's something about sprint.
This is
Why Hawaiian?
This is not things, because that is about phrasal verbs and some idioms. Yeah, so you said about Fridays, that is quite right. Okay, anything else? Any associations with Hawaiian?
Maybe so relaxing, and it's a day about rest after work, and you can relax after work and communicate with your team on other topics and relax after work, maybe. Because I agree with Alina. It's about Friday, maybe.
Yeah, that is actually maybe an idiotic corporate initiative. So something weird, something straight, something so initiative, and that is usually scheduled for Fridays. Some weird, strange events on Fridays. So guys, do you have in your companies, in your places where you work, some Hawaiian short days?
Corporation initiative мероприятие. It's meetings and team for work, or it's other.
Just idiotic. So just very stupid, very silly. So it's usually not about work. For example, my friend at work, they used to have. Oh my God, what was that? That was the day of balloons or something like that. And that they just had a party on Friday. So it was somebody's initiative. So we can say that they had Hawaiian short day. So this was like Hawaiian short day. So that's why like this. So guys, did you have an experience with this one at your work?
I don't have experience, but I know one company which meeting in болото, не знаю как болото. Swamp, да, in swamp. Просто здесь в Эстонии куча болот, и они устраивали вот корпоратив на болот, чтобы там все валялись, и, господи, вот это реально Hawaiian short day.
Okay, yeah. Can you please make the sentence about this one? Team build, yeah, kind of a team build Hawaiian short day. Like, team build because you just need to, like have fun and enjoy it. Usually, sometimes, and maybe even often, it can be idiotic. Okay,
it's really.
So this is.
It's really funny. It really sounds funny, yeah.
So, Evgenia, have you got any experience like that?
Я не знаю, как по-английски, мне кажется, чтобы это выпустить пар, типа после всех спринтов и проектов.
So maybe it's not the purpose, but anyway, yeah, maybe. So, Evgenia?
Only like organization part of this. It was a zombie party for people in one band, and I was like one of zombie. Not zombie. It's смотритель.
Like what? Give me the context.
Sorry.
Give me the context.
It wasn't just a zombie party for other people, for people who work in one bank. It was team built with zombie party. And I was an organizer and like actress who sit in the chair and say just you go right, you go left, and that's all. But it will be funny because one guy just told, I don't want to put on the floor because my jeans cost about 2,000, not 1,000, как бы тысячи.
1,000.
2,000 bucks. I don't put on the floor because I don't like it. It's humid. I don't like it. That's all. But it was funny to be in zombie party.
Yeah, that is actually the purpose of having these Hawaiian short days.
Yes.
Right. Okay, now let's have kind of revision. So tell me what slang words we have for now. Alina, what do you remember? Just give me like 3 or 5 of what we've just discussed today.
Plug and play. 3 W. Good job.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, maybe one more.
Ну, Hawaii short day.
Okay. So let's leave something for Evgenia. Evgenia, which ones have you remembered?
Very good because I like it. and I write all the words of today,
so
our party,
funny.
and I like it. Yes, I write because I like it. Yes, it's very good. It's the best for me because it's very interesting and unlogical.
Illogical, yeah, illogical. Sorry for
Illogical.
Illogical. You will just remember illogical because you have illogical. Okay, and one more thing that is also kind of a joke. Do you know this one? This one. Oh, hold on. Of course you know this one, but what does that mean in IT sphere? It is also an abbreviation. This is, I can give you kind of a hint. So this is the most typical method of a resolution of problems in IT. That is a joke.
It's interesting.
Any ideas what we can say? Okay, I will just tell you. Look here.
Its method is joke. Yes.
Yeah. This is really a joke. No action, talk only. So tell me, please, do you guys use this? Do you guys use this while you're working? I mean, like,
I have idea. I have idea. It's about. I saw meme in LinkedIn. It's about meme when successful project we publicate a funny meme. When a sad project we publicate a sad meme. Maybe it's about this.
You're like, why not? Mm-hmm. So Alina, maybe you have no action, talk only in your IT life?
No, I don't have. Как это пока? I don't have real experience as a QA engineer yet.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so this now you know how to solve problems in IT. No action, talk only. Okay, Evgenia, what about your experience?
Common experience not, but in future, like recruiter, part of my job will be some speaking with my customer before I put some vacancy or I try to find some people for our team. I need to speak with my customer a lot of time, ask a lot of questions. It's part of the job, but it's not work, no action. It's just ask about framework or another. А как бы требования? Очень важный вопрос. Требования. Require what? About require of future our people in our team. Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Sorry.
I finished my
Snezhana, you can write, and when Daria talking, you can text in chat what you think about it.
Just share some ideas. So that's it about some slang, some maybe vocabulary for IT specialists, some funny things that people usually use, and I would like to answer 10 questions. So for these guys, you need if you're not in Russia, you don't need VPN, but I do. So hold on, I will show you this one. The screen. I just need to share the screen. How to? It's there. Do you guys see the screen?
Yes.
Okay. So you have a game pin. You have a game pin, and you need to find this one. I will send the link on a chat.
I sent link for everyone in LinkedIn. This about site.
Okay, this one, yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Which one have you sent? Guys, can you please follow this link? And here you will have this one. I'll show you. Okay. You will have screen like this. Do you see that? So one more time, you need to follow the link. You will have the screen like this, Kahoot. Here you need to enter the pin game. The pin game code. Oh. This is the code.
Sorry,
we have.
Sorry, girls, I have some trouble with my.
Have one player.
It's me.
Who's that?
Oh.
One more time. Who's that? Is that you?
It's me.
Oh, we have 3 of them. We have. Okay, yeah. Okay, this is Snezhana, I guess. Alina. Okay, and Evgenia, what about you? What did you say? Evgenia, are you going to join? Evgenia, can you respond, please? Just say something. Are we waiting for you? Dasha, help me, please. I'm afraid we lost Evgenia.
Guys, you can you connection with I'm sorry, you on connection. What's happened?
What happened? We lost everybody here. Guys, can you join one more time, please? So I can just
I think now если вы можете сказать на русском, если есть проблемы.
But everyone has already joined. I just don't know what happened.
Да, почему-то оно просто само вылетело.
Let's try one more time, and we're going to start. We're not waiting for Evgenia then. So, Snezhana, Alina, could you please rejoin?
Да, делаем, а просто он не принимает теперь. Типа... Yes.
Okay, I guess we will start like this. So here we go. You just need to choose right answer using your phone. Okay, only 10 questions. That's very fast. So I played start. So words. Where should be? So the best way to fix a bug is not to fix it at all, but to call it, and you need to choose the color.
А где вопрос виден? Я что-то не вижу.
It's on the screen.
Music.
Where's music? Okay, guys, you have only 20 seconds. Only 20 seconds.
Я что-то ничего не понимаю.
Hold on. Why didn't you answer? Didn't you have time or what?
Нет, я не очень понимаю, где здесь.
You should use your phone. You should use your phone and choose on the phone.
Да, я на айфоне. Просто я же не могу сразу скрин видеть.
Why? Dasha, what about you?
I'm first place. Я не успела просто ответить.
Я тоже не успела.
Okay, so let's try one more. Let's see.
Да.
Okay.
Okay, we have the board, so we have like no leaders for now. Okay, so the second question. The most typical method of resolution in IT is NATO, escape it, no action, talk only, ignore it. Two answers are possible here. Two answers are possible. The most typical method of resolution of problem in IT. Okay, we are waiting for other people. Okay, why do I have only... Okay, who's that?
Я не успеваю ответить, и он меня выкидывает, когда я хочу перейти на экран, посмотреть вопрос и с ответами, потому что на телефоне только картинки типа видны.
Yes, you should use the screen that is here.
Да, но при этом он меня выкидывает каждый раз. Я поэтому уже трою.
If you want, I can read slowly and read the question and read the answers with colors. Will it be better?
Yeah.
Okay, so we have the leader, Snezhana. Well done. Okay, one more. True or false? Hot fix is a quick fix. Blue, true. Red, false. Hot fix is a quick fix. Hot fix is a quick fix. Blue, true. Red, answer, false. Okay, who did you answer? Alina, what about now?
Потому что пока я подключалась, уже все прошло. Потому что меня выбрасывает. И пока я заново...
Maybe you need VPN, but don't really need VPN. Talent. Okay, so the next question. We have the leader, Snezhana. Cool. Okay, one more. Let's see. Take that. Red, feature. Yellow, characteristics. Blue, the possibility of software of device. And green, figures. You have 3 answers that are correct. 3 of them are correct.
What question?
3 answers. Red, feature.
Не, я не успеваю.
Okay, maybe maybe I will read even slower. Okay, so Snezhana, you see you have even the fire here. Well done, well done. Okay, let's try the next one. True or false? A killer feature is a super class characteristics of a software product that is absent from competitors. So a killer feature, it's a very cool feature. Blue, true. Red, false. Sorry for mistyping, I don't know why it's like that. Alina, do you hear? A killer feature is a super class characteristic. So very cool. Blue. Red, false.
Yeah, I
didn't choose. You didn't choose.
No.
Because I see only two answers. So Alina, you see two answers here. Okay, Snezhana is a leader today. One more. True or false? Good job is a get out of that job. Blue, true. Red, false.
So fast.
Okay. Oh, we got a new leader, Snezhana. What has happened? Look at that, guys. Do you see that? You see that we have a new leader. Okay. To stare at the desk so that it looks like you are working. Red, space out. Yellow, stare. Blue, look at. Green, watch out. To answer. We have a new leader. Dasha, so Alina, it's still too fast, yeah?
А я просто уже не захожу, я так хочу посмотреть.
Alina, if you want, you can type this on a chat. Just on a chat. So we'll see your answer. Okay, two more questions. The real meaning of www when the internet connection is slower is White World Web, Red World Wide Web, Yellow, Blue What to Wear When, and the last one, oh my god, I didn't have time to finish reading, so I guess you answered. And the score is also depends on the speed, so how fast you answer, more scores you get. Okay, so Snezhana, you need to get not that much, like just 1,000
I'm ready.
score.
I'm ready to lose. I'm ready to lose.
You're ready to lose? It's better if you're ready to fight. Okay, one more question. True or false? Curve is a code, a program that works but has many bugs. Yeah, I didn't tell you about Curve today, I guess. Maybe here you just know or don't know. Curve is a code, a program that works but has many nasty bugs. So that was true. Yeah, that was true that this is kind of a curve. Now you know. This is also a slang word. Okay, and the last one. Experienced specialist hired by startup trying to appear more professional and established. White rabbit, grey goose, old MacDuck, and black horse. So, Alina, you are here. Number 2. Snezhana, very cool. Okay. And the winner of today's competition is Dasha. Okay, so that is great, Dasha.
Yes, I'm not planning winner, but I'm glad so much.
Okay, now you know all vocabulary. Yeah, my congrats. So guys, that was the game. Here were the words. Can you please share your maybe feeling, some emotions, maybe the way you were speaking today? Was it easy for you? Was it hard for you? I don't know, maybe interesting. Maybe you felt some emotions. Just give me your feedback. Alina, can you please share your thoughts?
It was very interesting for me, and it was difficult for me because I study English and my English is not good. But I understand, как сказать, more words, but and сейчас мысли по-русски в кучу и хочу их на английский сказать. It was very important for me and also of comfortable.
Mm-hmm. Okay, yeah, I got it. Mm-hmm. Yeah, that is good. That's really the way that you can grow with. Yeah, thank you. Thank you.
And I want to say thank you for this meeting.
Yeah, thank you for coming. So, Evgenia, are you there? No?
I had some trouble with my web connection. Yes, and I just see out of the game. I like, but I can't take a part with you. I like my feedback about this one. I like so much. I like girls. Thank you. You're all very, very nice and very cute, and it was very comfortable to speak with you, but it was very uncomfortable for my brain. My brain little say me like, what you do? It's very hard. No. And I understand what I have some trouble with my vocabulary. Some trouble. It's big trouble with my vocabulary, and maybe I need to pump it. Pump maybe.
Okay, maybe. You mean just make it richer?
Yes, make it richer. Yes, through new words and typical words and common words. Yes.
Mm-hmm, just work on it. Okay.
Yeah, it's not so hard for me because sometimes I try to remember some words and make some nervous, and that's all. Thank you, Dasa. Thank you, and also Dasa. I like it.
Yeah, thank you for coming. So, Snezhana, my congrats on the second place in a game. That was really cool. So you took that one. Maybe you can type something on a chat. So maybe you learn some words. Maybe you want to share something. Or maybe you can speak now. Can you? Hard to hear you.
Слышно меня? Слышно? Так, без камеры слышно?
Wow, now it's really good.
No,
Oh, yes. Yeah, it was very good for me because even Google don't know these words. Эти трайковые глаголы. Трайковый глагол. Слышно?
It's hard to hear. Maybe try one more time. We tried our best to wait for the better connection. So maybe you can just send the feedback to Daria, or maybe just type on the chat so we can read that. It will be very useful for us. Okay. Have you learned some new things for you? How was the way you were speaking today? What do you think of that?
You mean it was better for us? Yes, maybe.
Well, like the question is like every time I just when I have speaking club, I usually at the end ask what people think of the way they were speaking, because they can because people when they speak they compare only themselves with themselves like last month or maybe last week. So as far as I got, you also practice English. Do you see it like from time to time that you get better, or maybe you learn some things, or maybe you just feel more comfortable, or maybe you feel not that comfortable?
If I'm currently understand you, it's really good practice what we're doing now. Maybe, but maybe I don't understand question.
No, I just wanted to know your feelings about the way you were speaking English.
Feelings.
And your English, not about the meeting, but about your English. How do you feel when you were speaking English?
When I speak English, it's if honest, really uncomfortable because you not how say уверенность.
Confidence.
You don't confident. Yeah, you don't confident because you are not speaking how native speaker. But when you understand what more people don't perfect talking in English, you not worry, and you can practice with you can practice with also same people who also talking in English like you, and it's not problem, and it's really good because when you more speaking in English, you feelings self is better. It's как сказать, воодушевление.
I'm inspired.
Yes, and you want more talking in English and more.
Yeah.
That's all.
Actually, I feel you guys here because like I have the same thing in Chinese. When I start speaking Chinese, I just want to speak more. And even if I make hell a lot of mistakes, I don't care. I just try. And this is really interesting. So I really like it. So thank you so much. Yeah, thank you, Darya, for inviting, and thank you, everybody, for participating. And guys, your English is really great because you are here. You can speak, and we had everything in English. You understood everything, so you can be so proud of you. So Darya, now it's for you to sum it up, or like whatever you do every time.
Thank you.
I want to say I'm glad to see you guys, and I want to say I'm glad to you come to here, and you practice with us, and thank you, Darya, for your organizations, and it was so interesting, and I don't hear these words как сказать, до этого before, yeah. And it's was really interesting, and thanks. Guys, можно сейчас на русском говорить. Поделитесь, пожалуйста, эмоциями, как вам понравилось, что вообще думаете об этом.
Скажу, что мне очень понравилось, потому что мне, хоть я и живу там в Европе, но мне не хватает общения с native, потому что нету такого больше свободного времени из-за ребенка, чтобы ходить там и со всеми общаться в данный момент. И как бы такие встречи мне очень нравятся, и нравится, что в плане я боялась, что я приду и буду очень хорошо всех говорить, и я буду еще сильнее зажата. Вот. Но нет, все спокойно к ошибкам относятся, вот, поэтому все нормально, и, конечно, хотелось бы побольше таких встреч. Вот, и очень рада, что как бы увидела Дашу в LinkedIn и увидела, что такие встречи проводятся. Это очень здорово, очень классно. И Да, чем ты больше начинаешь раскрепощаться, то какая-то вот тебе, да, хочется больше говорить, и некая свобода внутри рождается. Вот, поэтому очень большое спасибо Даше и Даше. Вот. Было очень интересно, очень было здорово, что такие вот незнакомые слова, ты не понимаешь некоторые там часть, да, значений слова, но ты не лезешь там в переводчик и не смотришь, а стараешься понять из описания, что это, и как бы, так понятнее, так лучше запоминать, и очень много слов узнаешь. Вот, поэтому большое спасибо, мне очень понравилось. Вот, так что, если там нету дел, я обязательно хочу к таким мероприятиям присоединяться.
Спасибо. Спасибо, очень приятно. Может быть...
Спасибо, Даша и Даша. Было прям очень круто, мне понравилось. При том, что, как мне показалось, у Даши как будто бы такой слегка British pronunciation, может быть, мне показалось. У меня с ним огромные проблемы. Это то, что я вообще, не знаю, я смотрела сериал без слов, и я вообще не могу, когда говорит человек на British, все, у меня случается какой-то полный коллапс, я вообще ничего не понятно, почему я слова знаю, и там как American вообще нормально, а сегодня для меня было приятным открытием, что оказывается, все у меня хорошо, и я могу, и все в порядке, и все нормально. И это меня прям подрасслабило, потому что когда первый раз слышала, я подумала, все, я сейчас буду тут сидеть, человек будет что-то говорить, а я буду с умным видом делать вид, что я все поняла. Это было тоже для меня такой выход из зоны комфорта. Я не знаю, почему, почему у меня такое сопротивление с бритишем, я не понимаю, вот, прям мне теперь стало интересно. И что для меня прикольно, то, что я наметила для себя точки роста, прости господи. То есть я посмотрела со стороны, что мне реально стоит обратить сейчас внимание, вот, и не париться. И, у меня нет страха к говорению просто как такового. Наверное, из-за того, что у меня больше... Но словарный запас у меня... Я сегодня поняла с ужасом, что у меня словарный запас, все. Все. Есть над чем работать. Вот. Было классно, было как-то так интересно. Мне понравилось, что надо было прям размышлять, не знаю, выносить какие-то гипотезы. Это прям классно, потому что ты одновременно развиваешь и понятийный аппарат, и какие-то там растеряешь границы. То есть такой, сейчас скажу глупость, ужас, а ты такой думаешь, ладно, зато внесу предположение. Вот, спасибо за прям с какой-то регулярностью, я бы прям ходила. Вот, спасибо тебе за организацию, потому что это прям классно. Я очень хотела слиться, честно скажу, мне стало страшно за 10 минут до, прям жестко. Прям внутреннее сопротивление было ужасное. Но я подумала, что ты так милостно беседовала в линке, что мне стало стыдно не приходить. Я решила, что нельзя. Вот. Так что спасибо тебе, ты прям, классно очень, я хотела сказать, что манипулировала, но это, наверное, такое слово. Ты классно, не просто не прийти. Вот. Мне очень понравилось. И Даша классный преподаватель, прям такой и внимательный, и который, всех вот так умудряется, как учат, поймать волну, и ты там и как-то пересидеть, как-то съехать не получается, и ты все равно участвуешь. Очень круто. Я вообще в восторге. Спасибо, девочки. Все, я закончила.
Спасибо. Спасибо большое. Снежана, может быть, вам есть что сказать?
Еще раз. Да? Нет?
Ничего не слышно.
Почему? Я вас хорошо слышу, прям отлично.
О, сейчас хорошо, кстати. Вот сейчас прям нормально слышно.
Наверное, были наушники мои. Слышно?
Да.
В общем, да, это было очень полезно, потому что вот эти вот фразовые глаголы и какие-то, я не знаю, это не термины, наверное, какой-то сленг, и даже нет в Гугле. Я вот гуглила параллельно, и этого нет, этого не найти вот здесь и сейчас, поэтому это очень полезно. По поводу самого клуба. Очень мало разговорных клубов для начинашек. Вот они все идут от intermediate и выше, и на них некомфортно. И раз вот не откроешь, чтобы... Ну, зачем людей стопорить? Вот. А здесь мало того, что начинающий уровень, так еще и для тестировщиков. То есть это прям интересно, и ты понимаешь, о чем говорят люди, и ты знаешь много технических терминов. В общем, спасибо, да. Я буду приходить. It was useful.
Спасибо большое. Спасибо большое за то, что, девочки, вы сказали, это очень важно. И я хочу отметить, что за это мероприятие, за эту организацию полностью была ответственна Даша. У нее вообще сейчас есть собственный курс по английскому языку. Если вам будет интересно, я оставлю ссылку в этом чате. Также я хочу напомнить о том, что у нас есть продюсер проекта Владислав Казачек. Он также отвечает за организацию этих мероприятий. То есть все почеты не только мне. Вот, поэтому прежде всего я хочу сказать спасибо огромное Даше за это интересное мероприятие, которое она организовала. Это было очень интересно и полезно. Действительно, я впервые вообще видела и слышала эти слова, пока учусь на QA. Это вообще просто какое-то полное открытие. Вот, поэтому огромное спасибо Дарье, огромное спасибо вам за то, что вы пришли. Будем дальше стараться, будем дальше делать. Вот, я вам желаю всем отлично провести оставшийся выходной день и подготовиться к новой рабочей неделе трудовой. Ну, у кого-то, может быть, и не рабочей недели, но все равно продуктивной, так сказать. Вот, и желаю хорошего дня вам.
Спасибо большое, взаимно.
Всем хорошего дня. Пока, девочки.